Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase influencer partnerships with Instagram, detailed guide step by step clearly. Research potential influencers in your niche. Identify brands that align with your values. Analyze influencers' engagement rates, not just follower counts. Create a list of potential influencers. Reach out with a personalized message. Introduce your brand and explain why you're interested in collaborating. Be clear about what you can offer. Provide specific ideas for partnership campaigns. Be open to their ideas to foster collaboration. Schedule a call to discuss the partnership further. Negotiate terms that are beneficial for both parties. Confirm all details in a written agreement. Be transparent about deliverables and timelines. Provide influencers with the necessary assets for promotion. Monitor and track the progress of the partnership. Engage with the influencer's content after launch. Analyze the results post-campaign. Gather feedback for future improvements. Nurture the relationship for potential future partnerships. Continue to build your network within the influencer community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.